I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Seahawks.
I'm Leela.
And I'm Jaden. Today is Friday, April 1st.
Now let's watch a science sleuth on volcanoes.
I pledge allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning,
Seahawks.
I'm Leela.
And I'm Jaden. Today is Friday, April 1st.
Now let's watch a science sleuth on volcanoes.
Volcanic eruptions have been around ever since our Earth was formed. Did you know that even Mars has its fair share of volcanic landforms, including the largest known volcano in our entire solar system, Olympus Mons?
What exactly is a volcano?
Volcanoes are one of Earth's rock factories, spewing out fresh rock from over 600 active volcanoes from around the world. Deep in the Earth, the temperature is a lot hotter than on the surface, and rock can actually melt. This molten rock, or magma, is lighter than solid rock, and it will rise up through the Earth's crust, sometimes melting more rock along the way. If the magma reaches the surface, it can break through and create a volcano. Whoa! If the magma doesn't contain very much silica, the mineral that makes quartz, it will flow easily out of the volcano, spreading out to form something called a shield volcano. The Hawaiian Islands are actually very big shield volcanoes.
What if there's a lot of silica in the magma?
Good question. If there's a lot of silica in the magma, it can actually explode out of the volcano. Try to blow bubbles in a thick milkshake with a straw. It's so thick that you need to blow harder, and when it finally comes out, it splatters everywhere, kind of like thick magma. If the magma cools very quickly by flowing into a cold ocean, for instance, you get what we think of as volcanic rock. But if the magma cools very slowly over time, deep within, the results can be dramatically different. Crystals have time to grow. Hey, Antoine.
Hi, Bunny.
To give you an idea what an erupting volcano might really look like, we have a classic activity in which a chemical reaction takes place. To make your own erupting volcano, you're going to need a volcano made out of paper mache or plaster, or if you're in a hurry, you could just use a mound of dirt. A container that 35mm film comes in, vinegar, baking soda or baking powder, and, if you like, red and yellow food coloring for effect. Okay, Antoine, you ready to make this thing erupt?
Sure.
First, you're going to need that film canister and put it right into the crater. Now add a couple of spoonsful of baking soda, a few drops of food coloring to make it colorful, add about an ounce of vinegar, and stand back. Building homemade volcanoes can be great fun, but always have adult supervision and clean up your mess. Well, I guess that wraps up another episode for the Super Science Sleuth. See you next time.
Due to the high demands, the yearbook was sold out. But the yearbooks are back. The yearbooks are $40 until we sell out again. Buy the yearbook at buytheyearbook.com. The code for it is 700-660. The running FSA assessments for all grades is on April 7th.
The 8th grade dance tickets are $35 and the dance is on May 14th. The theme is Hollywood Glam. Turn in your money into the front office. Students, please meet up at the track on April 6th, track meet at home versus Lakeview and Meadowbrook. Apopka versus Wolf Lake and Ocoee on Wednesday, April 13th, and on Wednesday, April 20th against Robbinswood and Piedmont Lakes.
Today for lunch, we're having Papa John's pizza.
Goodbye, Seahawks.